Hey guys, I'm gonna show you how to use Seedance 2.0 to create your own AI video. So you go to chatcut.io, so you can get a free invite code by joining the Discord. And what you want to do is here you can input. You have to use Seedance 2.0 to generate a video about, and then you just describe your video scene. You can actually upload like images, audio, and music, and you can upload video as well. And you're gonna mix the prompt in here and you're gonna generate. So what I did is I went to right here. I did some so I use ChatGPT to generate this storyboard. So I'm gonna create a storyboard right here, and what you want to do is with the storyboard you actually create this. Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to use Sedance 2.0 to generate a video right here. So Sedance 2.0 is available on chatcut.io. If you're not located in China, you can get an invite code right here from the Discord server right here. They're going to have a Sedance and ChatCut right here. So in an announcement there's invite code. Just sign up with a new email and you're gonna get 500 free credits for you to generate. And what you want to do is you can generate by uploading images, audio, video, and text prompt as well to describe your video. And actually Sedance 2.0 is great if you give it initial image using Google Nano Banana Pro. So what I did is I asked ChatGPT to create this right here, storyboard 4x4 so of a battle. And so what we're gonna do, we're gonna download this and we're gonna feed it into the ChatCut right here. So I'm gonna do that just to download, and let's see. So here's what I did is the epic battle right here. They can have different scenes. This is scene 1, scene 2, scene 3, and so on. And this is based on Google Nano Banana Pro. You can use it on Hicksville as well for you. So Hicksville can generate this at a lower cost if you sign up for the plan, and just feed it, upload it here. And I didn't upload any music or anything, so I'm gonna ask ChatGPT to generate the scene right here based on the image. That's the easiest way to do. And here's what ChatGPT did for me is I asked to write a text-to-image prompt 4x4 grid to describe the storyboard actions. And so this is the image prompt that you want to generate with Nano Banana Pro. And the second one is the storyboard action flow, which is the text that you tell it to do for right here. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna paste this. And I didn't want to have epics anime, so we're gonna do combat style, combat sequence, scene progression following the storyboard, uploaded, attached. And so we're gonna go here, and if it looks good, so if it looks good, like so the fighters stand in rain, covered futuristic arena, tension thick in the air, close up on focused eyes, sudden burst of motion, both launch forward, combat escalate into aerial choreography, spinning attacks. Cool. So we have dynamic camera movement and so on, blinding collision and so on. So it's gonna be creative, and just give some prompt for it to work with, and we're gonna click on generate, and it will take a moment. So this is the free version, so you can buy more credits on chatcut.io. And what it did is that it transformed this into a timeline. So ChatCut actually is good for you to edit video easily using prompts, like removing silences, editing by adding graphic and so on, without you editing manually. It's gonna save you a tons of time for you to do that. So right now it's a try Sedance 2. It says I'll generate this epic combat video using Sedance 2.0. This is an ambitious cinematic sequence. Let me start the generation process. So that's the image we gave. We didn't give any audio. You could actually give any like voice, images and like transcripts what the characters want to say, but I just give some freedom for the AI to do itself. Usually it's better, and let's come back later. Alright, so after about 10-15 minutes it gave me this. So generation has started. This typically takes 15 to 20 minutes to complete. Let me check on the initial progress. The generation is progressing well. Video generation has been submitted, is now processing. So current status, so duration is 15 seconds. So you can actually, with 500 credits, you can generate up to 15 seconds of Sedance 2.0 videos. Prompt submitted successfully, now waiting for the AI to render. This epic combat sequence being generated with all the elements you described, the rain, soak, etc. Typically, the generation typically takes 15 to 20 minutes. I'll monitor progress and let you know. Okay, so let's see if it's 15 to 20 minutes, because a lot of people are trying this, so it's gonna take a while. Alright guys, so after a few tries, because it was server busy and it told me to recreate, so I did retry a couple times, like 2 times, and now it's been generated. It says it's located in now available your asset library as Epic Arena Combat. So it has rendered it, and I want to see where it is now. So let's take a look. So it's here, as you can see in the media. And when I click on it, probably I can drag this on here, and it's gonna replace the one on the bottom. I'm gonna delete the one on the bottom, and let's take a look at this just to show you guys. Wow. I think you don't see it because it's right in my head again. But that 15 second was epic. I want to show you again. I'm gonna move my head a little bit to the side, and let's replay this. So this is a 15 seconds based on my storyboard. I'm gonna move my head a little bit just to show you guys. It comes with sound, and look at this. It's so cool. Wow, I want to see like a full movie of this, a full fight, and it looks insane. So this is actually Sedance 2.0 available on ChatCut. Let me know in the comment below if you guys tried it and what you guys think of it, and let me know if you need a invite code. So look at that. You know when it did like this kind of slow motion, and it added like that sound effect, vroom, vroom. I like that, and it matched like the whole scene so good. Okay, so let's take a look at my storyboard. My storyboard basically was this. Let's see. I'm gonna take a look at the storyboard, and the storyboard looks kind of like a different person in there. So it was like red, but actually in the video it was different. So I think it kind of like inspired from this storyboard and make a version of his own. So I was wanting it to follow the storyboard character more consistently, but that was fine. Like the epic fight was good, and I'm wondering like if you can extend this actually. If you can extend the fight by prompting more, so you can extend another 15 seconds, but I think it took me about, so I had 500 credits, so it took about 200, so 210 credits out for 15 seconds, and it's not bad. And you can buy more credits on ChatCut, which I find like more. So that's $99 and $199, which is no subscription, and credits never expire. It's a one-time purchase. So if you're planning to create a lot of video editing with ChatCut, and also doing a lot of these Sedance 2.0 early access, and I think it's worth it. But it's gonna be available on February 24th pretty soon to all available platforms elsewhere. So I guess this is early access, and that's actually amazed me, like the hype on Twitter, and the fight here where I got this is amazing. Like for 15 seconds it's not boring at all. Like like on Sora for 15 seconds sometimes it makes like, oh my god, like it would get stuck and you would have to recreate this, but this is like perfect. He's fighting. Wow, look at this fight. It's pretty cool. Wow, that's cool. So one more thing, you can export this and you can have different versions right here. It has like a version history, and you can export by clicking export, and this is a 15 seconds 25 megabits, and that's 1080p. And output resolution, you can choose between different resolution, and the size will reflect that. So this is a video, this is not a motion graphics. And render mode, I would select it for cloud, because yeah, so it's gonna render on the cloud, it's faster. And you click export and it's gonna start exporting this pretty quickly. So that's how you export it. So I made a second part. What I did is that I asked the AI to do a continuation right here, generate a continuation of this first fight, and then I have ChatGPT write the next fight in text. And what it did is that it fed the previous part into the Sedance 2.0, and then it's gonna extract the last frame. The thing is that about extracting the last frame is that it could not see the character, so it generated a different character the second time around, like this. So it was not wearing a helmet before, and so what I suggest is that you could actually feed the first part, do a continuation, and then actually do a close-up image of these two characters, so it knows, it keep the character consistent. And you can actually reference this in the chat. And it was generating for a long time, and I couldn't see the second part, so I asked AI, and then it said that I saw it was an issue that it was not synced, so I had to try it, refresh it, and then retry, like tell him like I still don't see it, for it to show me the second video. And so that's how I resolved this, and combined together you can see like it looked like this. So this is pretty cool. That's the second part. Look at the camera. Wow, that's really cool. Like you could extend this and make a movie out of this pretty easily. Like I would watch this. So thumbs up, go to chatcut.io and let me know what you think. Thank you guys.